Right, here's question 2 then. Y equals x cubed minus 3e to the x, yeah? We want to work out the derivative and work it out at x equals 3. Here's our table of standard derivatives. It's growing. We've added another entry. E to the x differentiates to e to the x. So let's write down the derivative then, because everything's on ground level. Divide the x in, it's a power, which is here, which is 3 lots of x to the one less, which is 2. Minus 3 lots of e to the x, which goes to e to the x, 3 lots of e to the x. Here we go, there's the derivative. Now work out the value. At x equals 3, divide the x equals 3x squared minus 3e to the x. And the input value is 3. So wherever we see an x in the right hand side, put a little bracket around it and overwrite the x with the value that it has that we want to input. There we go. So let's just type it in the calculator then. I'm not going to display a calculator or anything, I'm just going to simply type it out for you. And let's hope we get the same answer, eh? 3 times 3 squared, okay, minus 3 times. Now the exponential pattern is a shift log normally, and the log I'm talking about is a natural logarithm. So it will be shift ln on my calculator, hopefully it's the same on yours. Put a 3 in the spot in the air. Then I bring the cursor down to ground level by just toggling the forward pad on my calculator here, press equals, and I get minus 33.2566, so I'm going to round that to 3dp and write 7, and that was to 3dp. Yeah, there we go. That's the answer for question 2 done. Great. We got 10 of these, quite simple really. I think there's about 10 in total of the exponentials. Then we'll move on to logs after that. Okie dokie.